Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making skillet cornbread. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared. First, I'm going to put my cornmeal, flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder into my mixing bowl and whisk them to combine them. Then I'm going to add in the milk and oil. I'm going to whisk this until everything is mixed together. Now I'm going to put my batter into my cast iron skillet. Before I did that, I put my skillet into the oven while it was preheating so it could warm up. This is important so that the temperature stays even and consistent. Putting the batter into a hot skillet should help it not stick as well. Don't forget to grab your pot holders because the pan will be really hot. Then I'm going to put a little bit of oil onto the skillet using a silicone brush, just enough to lightly coat the pan. This step is not necessary. Then I'm going to use my rubber spatula to guide all the batter into the skillet. Now I'm going to put the cornbread into the oven. My oven's preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. My cornbread took 20 minutes to bake. When it's done, it'll be golden brown. Place it onto a cooling rack so it can cool. And my cornbread is done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy.